it's first thing on a Sunday morning, and today is the day that I kayak around Guernsey. It's a little bit drizzly and we've got a little bit of wind expected later, but we're up nice and early to try and catch the tide as best we can. So fingers crossed, all goes well.
How you doing, Laura?
Good. Tired.
Smiling. And you're not dead.
Not dead! Yes! Nobody died. Seasick earlier, but yeah, foghorn, keeping me going.
So this morning left Portlet, pretty much force 4 southerly. Coming around Plymouth was pretty bumpy, pretty wild with the tide. Then the south coast has been really challenging, lots of tide around the headlands.
So we hit a bit of a curveball with the weather today, and I've had to come off my kayak, and it was agreed by the support boat and the support kayaker as they were monitoring the weather station basically that it was just way too dangerous to carry on. It's already been a really bumpy and at times very scary morning. So the north side just became way too dangerous. So the kayak's been packed up, and I've decided to finish the loop by walking around the island, which is an interesting kind of curveball to a trip and definitely not what I had in mind, but as gutted as I am, I'm happy that I at least get to finish. This is just amazing! I'm pretty happy to be walking right now, actually. Found my new home. How cool is that? So stoked to see that finish point. It's been a long day.
Here we are at the start point from this morning.
Woo! Still not dead! So much yes! All the yes! Ice cream.